Today I'm going to cook a baked potato in the air fryer with a special hack, which I'll show you in just a minute. Let's get started. First, I'll wash the baked potato with a non-abrasive scouring pad. And then we will dry it off. And by the way, this is a russet potato. It weighs just over half a pound. We're going to put it on our plate, poke a few holes in it, like this. Because, here's the hack, we're going to put it in the microwave and let it cook for about 4 minutes. This will cut our total cooking time to less than half. Alright, it's been 4 minutes. Let's pull that potato out of the microwave. I'm going to sit it over here on the counter. Whoa! Almost lost it. And yeah, it's feeling pretty hot. So now we're gonna cover it in olive oil. Here we go. Putting olive oil all over that potato. Beautiful. Next, we want to sprinkle on some salt to make that skin delicious when it comes out. There we go. Now we'll preheat our air fryer to 400 degrees. I'll cook this in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, then we'll check to make sure it's done. Alright, let's check our potato. You can always use the fork method, which it looks like it's done. If you want to be certain, use an instant read thermometer. We're looking for a temperature of 208 degrees in the thickest part of the potato. And we are there. Let's take our potato out, put it on a plate, and now we can dress it up. Let the potato cool slightly, then it's ready to slice and serve. Well, a little crooked, that's okay. Oh, it's nice, beautiful and flaky, just what we're looking for. Oh yeah. And you can add your favorite toppings. Today I have butter, sour cream, chives, and salt. Be sure and subscribe, it really helps me out, and have a great day.